Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to download and set up a brand new VPN that works across all countries. It is completely free, fast, and stable. So let's jump right in. Step 1, searching for the website. Open any browser and search for custom UDP. This will bring up the official website where we get our VPN app from. Step 2, opening the website homepage. Click on the website in the search results to open the homepage. Step 3, navigating to the free VPN menu. Tap the menu icon on the homepage, then select the free VPN menu. This section holds all the VPN applications available on the site. Step 4, searching for Ultra Tunnel. Inside the free VPN section, search for Ultra Tunnel. Once it appears, tap on it to open its page. Step 5, downloading the app. On the Ultra Tunnel page, tap the download button to start downloading the application to your device. Part 2, setting up and connecting. Step 6, opening the app. Head over to your Play Store, and if the app is already installed, you will see it there with an Open button. Tap Open to launch Ultra Tunnel. Step 7, allowing permissions and update log. When the app opens, allow the notification permission. You will also see a new update pop up showing all the newly added high-speed servers across different countries. Just tap OK to move past this. Step 8, running an online update. Before connecting, it is a good habit to tap Update at the bottom left of the dashboard and select Online Update. This makes sure all your server resources are completely up to date. Step 9, selecting a server. Now tap on Auto Select Server. You will see a list of premium protocols like SSL v2 Ray with speed boosts. Choose one of these top servers. Step 10, selecting tweaks. Right below the server section, you will find network tweaks and profiles. Whether you want optimized gaming configurations, social media packages, or unlimited data tweaks for your specific mobile network, there is a huge library under the Recommended and All Country tabs. Step 11, extending time and exploring the menu. If you need more connection time, tap the Add 6 Hours button. You can also check the side menu on the top left, where you will find custom settings, v2 Ray options, an IP Hunter tool, and tethering controls. Step 12, connecting to the VPN. Head back to the main screen and tap the Start button. Approve the standard Android VPN connection request by tapping OK, and the app will begin initializing the tunnel. Step 13, switching servers if needed. If a server does not connect instantly, do not worry. You can quickly switch configurations. For example, choosing a high-performance profile like UDP Hysteria Speed Max to get the best bandwidth. Step 14, confirming a successful connection. Once connected, the status will change to Connected, along with real-time download and upload speed graphs monitoring your live data traffic. Step 15, using the tethering feature. One of the best features here is under the side menu called Tethering. It gives you clear step-by-step instructions to share your active VPN connection with other devices over a local Wi-Fi hotspot. And that is it. You have successfully downloaded, installed, and connected to this brand new All Country Working VPN. It is fast, reliable, and works great for secure browsing anywhere. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.